Good morning. Another great day here at Jackson Public Schools. My name is Betty Jones. I'm the purchasing coordinator for the district. We're here today on March the 11th to open up bid 3202 entitled Biometric Scanners and Software Program. We have two paper bids. We don't have any electronic bids today. We will begin. Our first bid to be open is from Certified Global Inc., and they are located out of Gettysburg, Maryland. It is in duplicate. We have an original and a copy. They're both signed. No addendums were issued. For a biometric scanner, the price quoted is $1,350. That's 1350. The software program is priced at $1,199.40. That's 1199.40. There is no price quoted on the extended warranty of this proposal. Our next proposal is from Safer Management Inc., and they're located here in Jackson, Mississippi. It is in duplicate. Both copies are signed. The biometric scanner quote is priced at $2,200 per unit. That's $2,200. The software program is priced at $10 per student yearly. This concludes our bid opening for today of bid 3202 entitled Biometric Scanners and Software. Thank you for your participation, and I hope everyone enjoyed their spring break.